were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive.
So you're going to start off with adding some glue and some shaving cream, and you're going to mix everything together, and I don't exactly have the exact measurements, but it's about that much. And then after that, you're going to add in some lotion, which makes it stretchier. And yeah, I added some water, but you don't actually need to add any. But for the borax activator, I used 1 teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of hot water, which is that, and I put it in a bottle. You're going to mix everything together, and at first it's going to look a little wrinkled, but after you let it sit for a while, it will turn into like a smooth consistency, and yeah. So after you're done mixing everything together, you can play with it a bit. And sorry about the noise, it's a bit like I didn't have a microphone to film it. So afterwards you're going to have cornstarch and you're going to pour it into your bowl. And this part is optional, but it makes the slime thicker. And you're just going to dab it in, and that's basically it. Another thing the cornstarch does is it makes the slime smoother, so that is why I added. And you can also add baby oil if you have it, but if you don't have it, it's just okay. I added some more shaving cream on the slime because I thought I wanted it to be a bit thicker, but you don't have to if you don't want to. But it just makes the slime a bit thicker and bigger. So here's how to swirl your slime. I'm not the best at doing the swirl part at the end, but basically it's self-explanatory. You just have to just do what I'm doing back and forth, and that's it. So guys, tell me in the comments below if you want me to add the background music or if you just want me to not add it. So yeah, thank you for watching.